Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore how to find your archived groups on the WhatsApp app for PC. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made managing chats and groups even smoother, but a few users are still wondering where their archived conversations have gone. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to look and how to get to them in just a few clicks. Let's start from the top. Open your WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it loads up, you'll notice the familiar chat screen with all your recent conversations listed. On the left side, you'll see the sidebar. This is where all your main controls live. Here's the trick. This is also where your archive section is now located. Take your mouse and look toward the top of that left sidebar. Right above or just below your chat list, depending on your version, you'll see an option labeled Archived. Click on that. This simple step takes you straight into all the chats and groups you have archived. Inside the archive section, everything is neatly organized, so you don't have to scroll endlessly. You'll see all the chats and groups you've chosen to hide from your main view. Browse through the list until you find the group you're looking for. Once you spot it, just click to open and view the messages as you normally would. You can also unarchive it instantly if you want to bring it back to your main chats. Just send a message or use the unarchive option. This update keeps your main chat area clean and clutter-free while still giving you quick access to your hidden conversations. It's especially helpful for staying organized when you're part of many groups but don't want them all filling your homepage. And that's it, simple, quick, and efficient. Open WhatsApp on your PC, head to the left sidebar, click on Archived, and you'll find every conversation and group you've tucked away. Now, you can manage your chats better and keep WhatsApp exactly how you like it.